Welcome to Epic Corner Encounters. Today we're going to be in Judge Perkins' court with this young lady who is just off the chain. That's the only way I could describe it. So let's go into this courtroom and see just how wild she is and how Judge Perkins deal with her attitude. Okay? All right? Let's go.
Do we have anybody else that does not need an interpreter?
No, I don't.
Who is I don't? Angela D.
Brenda Ramirez does not need an interpreter.
And I have to go to work, and I don't need a translator.
I gotta go to work too as well.
Yeah, I don't need a translator either, and I have to go to work within the next 30 minutes.
I've been waiting.
Okay, well listen, Miss Canty, don't speak to me like that because it doesn't matter to me.
I wasn't talking to you like that, sir. That was really towards the lady who felt like she gotta go to work too, ma'am. I have to go to work too. We both have to go to work.
Well, listen, Miss Canty, you don't need to speak to anybody like that because you were one of the last ones that came in here. I'm trying to go in the order that they came in.
I was told my court date was at 9 o'clock. I was told my court date was at like 9 o'clock, sir.
All right. You're just gonna over talk and you're just gonna sit back and wait. You can go to work if you want to, all right?
Oh, well, you can reschedule my court date.
I don't have to reschedule anything.
Estaba hablando con la abogada. Sí,
I don't have to reschedule anything.
I don't need no interpreter neither,
me va a
Judge.
decir
My name is Angel Jimenez.
¿Para cuándo me da?
Señora Jiménez, por favor.
Miss Canty, are you there?
He let her sit for a minute. But once she started that, now everybody was saying they had to go to work. Let's get back into it.
Yes, I'm here now.
So let's call the City of Detroit versus Shayla Canty, case number U69825424. Appearance for the record, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Canty.
Shayla Canty.
For purposes of arraignment,
Okay, go ahead.
my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, I don't know what's in. I don't have an actual U ticket in front of me. Ms. Canty can plead as charged. What is the sentence on a narcotic drug violation, Mr. Bowman?
12 months delayed.
12-month delayed sentence, ma'am. Do you need any drug treatment?
Okay, I haven't even talked to the attorney.
Listen,
Sir, I'm trying to talk to you.
Stop.
I have not talked to the attorney.
Listen.
Where's contempt at?
You don't ask the questions. You don't ask any questions. You answer the questions that I asked you.
I don't know what's going on. What am I being charged with, sir?
You're charged. All right. She's charged with narcotic drug violation. The maximum possible penalty for the offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. She has an allegation was made on September the 9th, 2024 at 8:45 in the area of St. Martin's and Strathmore Street. That's your charges. Now, here is an allegation right now. Listen to me. Don't interrupt me, okay? The first thing I'm going to ask you, do you feel that you need some drug treatment?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay. You have an absolute right to a trial. Today is community court. That's why you come to me, because apparently this is supposed to be in the area of Southwest Detroit, but it doesn't seem like this allegation is. I don't know why you're here, but since you're here, the matters that we do today are resolved by community service. The prosecutor offered you a 12-month delay. If you don't want to do the community service, or you want to fight the ticket, then I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge to fight the ticket. Do you understand?
Yes, and that's what I wanted to get into, sir. Along with that charge, I had another charge. It was the same day. They put me in job court. With completing job court, I will get that case dismissed. So both of these cases typically they go hand in. They both happen the same day. One happened because of.
Listen, it doesn't matter.
What I'm trying to understand is How long? You said a 12-month delay. What does that necessarily mean? I have 12 months to complete community. I start medical school next month. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Is it 12-month delay as in I get 12 months to complete community service? Or what exactly does that mean? I don't understand if I don't ask questions, sir. I'm not trying to be condescending or honoring. I honestly don't. I don't understand if I don't ask questions.
I can't tell, man.
So that's why I'm asking.
Mr. Barry, I'm gonna put her in the breakout room and explain to her what that stuff means and explain to her. I'm inclined just to send her to Judge Kennedy's court. This is Judge Kennedy's case. I don't even see why this case came to me because St. Martin's and Strathmore is not in Southwest Detroit. But I'll let you speak to Mr. Barry. You can talk to him about it. And keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial if you want to contest the matters, okay? But you have to do that in Judge Kennedy's court. Join the room, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Canty. Thank you, Ms. Canty, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Do you understand how this works now, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, what do you want to do? What does your client want to do, Mr. Barry?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to plead to the narcotic drug violation on the basis of a 12-month suspended sentence. She stands ready to do community service.
You want to do that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
You said you had another case that related to this.
Oh, okay. So no. So with that case, that has already been, it's been put in job court. So as long as I complete job court, then that case would be dismissed. I only mentioned it because had that case not happened, they would not have searched my car and found the psychedelic mushroom. So that's why I was saying that. But that case is getting dismissed as long as I complete job court.
She just said, I'm talking about the mushrooms. What do you want to plead not guilty or something?
Where's the problem?
You talk too much.
Exactly.
Oh, I talk too much? Well, he asked me a question. Oh, well, big personality. Okay. But that's what's going on.
You said too much.
I'll let her go ahead and use her big personality and take the plea. Raise your right hand, ma'am. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines.
Yes, I do.
Mr. Bowman, do you understand? You probably don't understand. I don't think you heard anything. There was another case that related to this that Ms. Canty entered into some sort of job or program. And it's happened on the same day. I'm not at liberty to mention anything about that, but Ms. Canty has already done so on the record. What do you want to do with this case, Mr. Bowman?
Is this an additional case?
It's an additional case.
Oh,
it's an additional case. That's on the same date, seeming to be related to the same type of offense.
So instead of one offense, she actually has two.
Well, the one offense has already been adjudicated in front of Judge Giles.
And so she is pleading as charged to the docketed offense, and that is a 12-month delayed sentence community service, correct?
That's what the offer was. I think you gave that offer. I was giving you the extra information in order to see if you are going to recognize it and maybe amend offer and recognize that she's already under some form of
I understand. We don't have to do anything more than the docketed offer that she has accepted.
You see how I have to deal with people, big personalities and all that stuff. But for me, I have to still try to keep my cool, remain level headed, and be as fair to everybody as possible.
Patience and fairness is in your job description, Your Honor, and you do it quite well, in my humble opinion.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do, Your Honor. You do. And for that, I am grateful.
Sometimes sometimes I don't know. Maybe I might need to find another profession. Case dismissed, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Case dismissed? Okay. How y'all feel about that? I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. That was a wild one. Let's talk about it in the comments. I hope you have a good day, evening or night, and I'll see you next time. I'm out.